Anyway, you guys. Anyway, you guys, welcome you guys. A girl is back. This is girl Shirley Monique, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. As you guys can see, I am rocking the Miracle Knots that is trending right now. For those of you who are new to my channel, thank you guys so much for stopping by. Now I want you to go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. And for those of you who are not new, you guys, thank you guys for sticking with your girl. Really, really do appreciate it. So tonight, what I'm going to be dropping for you guys is a hair review video. And it is no other from the one and only Y Wigs. And what I like about this one that they sent me, the thread for this crochet hair is a lot longer than the normal ones. And I'm going to show you what that looks like some on the picture right here. And it made it so much easier when you're doing the miracle knots. Like, amazing, because you have enough space to braid that curl into your natural hair. So you have more space to let it last a longer time. So I do say that is something that I thought was amazing when it comes to that. So I'm going to show you guys how I created this hairstyle. A girl just in love with the miracle knots.
Let's jump into these miracle knots.
We're going to go ahead and jump into this video, and we're going to show you guys.
I mean, because first of all, why are we not talking about this? Because it's actually, I'm obsessed with it. It just makes the whole style look more natural and effortless. And honestly, that's the reason why I just keep coming back to the feather crochet method for the miracle knots, because it is amazing. All right, real quick, I just want to jump in here and show you guys this. You guys, whenever it comes to the feather crochet method, the thread is longer, which makes it easier to get tangled. So you want to be mindful, and it gets tangled very easily. One thing I could say, they did a very good job of wrapping the thread together, and you guys will see that later on in the video. So it wasn't most of how they package it, it was just most of me didn't pay attention to how fast it could have got tangled. So I just wanted to stop and share that with you guys. Okay, you guys, so let's jump into creating these miracle knots using the crochet feathered method, which is with the longer thread. So you guys go watch me do these miracle knots. So I already started, and you guys gonna see these parts are not perfect, and that's the idea. I don't want the parts them to be perfect at all. And as you guys see, I'm not using any products in my hair because this is my natural hair. I don't want my natural hair to be filled up with a lot of products. So, and I want this hairstyle to feel as natural as possible. All right, so now I'm going to show you guys how I'm starting to braid the feather method into my natural hair. So it's the length of the thread, and I started with the very far piece of the curl on one end because that's the first piece of curl I'm going to be leaving out. And then I just braid down with the thread and my hair. The curls at the other end is still hanging down, still waiting for me to get there. But right now we just braiding, and look how neat and look how seamless it's looking without have to try to blend in any curl hairs or any pieces of hair, nothing. The feather thread method makes this miracle style knot style so easy to do. Like even a beginner, if you know how to braid your natural hair, you will be able to do the miracle knots with the feather crochet. And this is me still braiding just my hair and the thread together. So I've just starting to get at the end of the curl. So there's no more thread. But look at it. I don't even have to tie it. I don't have to put glue or anything. It is just amazing. Okay, so this is what I'm doing right now. They only sent me 3 bundles. And I already take a look at it. I know it's not going to be enough for the way I normally use my hair. So I'm definitely got to add at least 4 more bundles.
Is a sponsored video. They did went ahead and send me 3 bundles. However, I'm gonna show you guys what the hair looked
Now
like
it's
when 3 bundles
complete
was
with the
complete
3
compared to how it
bundles
looks
that they
now.
sent me. And this is what I'm working with. So basically, this is my foundation. This is definitely too thin for me. This is not how I like to wear my hair. This is more for like a high schooler. This, I mean, some people think this is cute. It's nothing wrong with it. It's just not my personality. My hair need to be way bigger than this. No. But I love it. It's cute. Will not wear it. But for those people who doesn't like a full head of hair or don't like a lot of hair, this is what 3 bundles will look like if you just go with the 3 bundles. So I definitely got to add at least 4 more bundles to this miracle knot. So we definitely got to make this hair a lot fuller. I don't like my hair to be super thin. I like it to be a lot. So we're gonna go in and add those in there. I definitely lost my footage where I was showing you guys how I add the shoulder crochet in there, but I will definitely do it again and show you guys how I did that. So I did went in and add 4 more bundles in there, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like
Guys,
now.
now that you guys saw me complete the installation of this hair, it was a quick process because I just want you guys to show you guys more or less exactly what it is. I don't think you guys want to sit and watch me do my whole entire hair the same way over and over. But let's talk about this hair, the Spanish Girl by Wild Wigs, baby, on Amazon, baby. Let me tell you, they sent me 3 bundles. But a girl, she can't rock 3 bundles. She needs 6 bundles. She needs 7 bundles. She needs 6 bundles. She needs. So as you guys see, this is what the hair looks like with the 3 bundles. That is too thin for me. That is not me. However, I had some other bundles from Wild Wigs that I purchased with my own coins. That I just went ahead and add in there. I had like the loose wave, I have the Burmese curl, and I had the water curls. So those are all in my hair. As well as the Spanish curl is the one that they sent me, which is the Spanish curl to me, baby, beautiful. I wish I had 7 bundles of the Spanish curl. This hair would have been eating because the Spanish curl is it. Like, I love it, and I love how it keeps the outer curls them defined. So, like, it all makes all the curls them seem to be one curl pattern, because the majority of the curls that is in my hair is the Spanish curl. Yeah, but I love it. One thing I could say, the hair, no tangle. I'm having any shedding, no tangle or anything with the hair. I go to sleep, wake up, put some little mousse in there and keep it going. I shampoo my hair, wash it, everything. It is amazing. Amazing. 3 bundles, it's not going to give you a full head of hair. It's only if you're doing the braids. The longer the thread, the easier it is if you're doing the boho braids and the miracle knots. So I will say they are onto something with that, because I found it easier for me to braid in the thread when I was doing my natural hair. And it was like a breeze. I literally installed my hair without even looking into a mirror. Like, this is the easiest hairstyle, and it look like it take the longest, and it's the easiest hairstyle. And I love the curl pattern. You guys see that? Like, what? Like, I mean, when I tell you, I have this here already in going over a week now. Maybe more, a little bit more over a week. Both going on 2 weeks probably, I will assume. Going on 2 weeks now with this hair, and This the hair look like an all day old, okay? And to me, the older it gets, the better it's looking. It's like you guys see that? Like, oh my God, oh my God. Love it. I am here for it. I am here for it. I'm rocking it. I'm taking it on vacation with me. I am here for the miracle knots, okay? I mean, what? When I tell you, I want to go ahead and say this is not all one curl pattern. They only sent me 3 bundles. The 3 bundles was not enough for how girl love to do her hair, so I did went ahead and add some more curls in there. But it was also purchased from that same company, but with my own coins. So I'm still gonna talk about the hair. I'm still gonna tell you the pros and cons of the hair, what it looks like, what it don't look like, baby. Cause this hair is, baby. You guys see that? Like, yeah, see, this is the, baby, this is the miracle knots, baby. All right. You guys have to go ahead and check them out. The hair, I have no problem with the hair. There's no cons. All pros, all pros. It's amazing. Like I said, I purchased, hair from them before. Very good quality. I don't have no problem with the hair. And I'm reusing it. The one time that I have in my hair has been reused like 4 times already. I just keep reusing my hair. Wash them, I put them up, and I reuse them. It's a very good investment. So one thing I want to say before, we jump into this video, I've learned that the miracle knots, for people that have super fine, thin hair, go ahead and add the extension in your hair, and you're using the regular crochet needle, you may not want to do that. So I went on Amazon and I found they come in a packet. You could buy them in a whole complete packet. But what I like about this packet, it comes with different size of needle. Even this one is a little smaller than the normal size. So most people tend to use this size. This size, you'll find this in the beauty supply store. However, this is a little size down. See that one? It's a little smaller. For those people who have your natural hair is a little thinner and you don't want to, because if you keep putting something that is this size in your natural hair that is a little thin, it's going to open it up more and it's not going to be as strong, and the hair could tend to slide out. But they also come in a little smaller, which I think it is so cute. Well, this one, we're not doing that one. That is super thick. But there's 2 more other small super one. These are so cute. But this, if your natural hair is super thin, you guys, you may want to go ahead and get these super small crochet needle. It does hook the thread perfectly, slide it right through to your hair that is super, super thin. Like if you have this here, the braids right here. So this is my natural braids. You see how thin that is? So you'll want to go ahead and use one of these small crochet needle. See there? And look at that, perfect. So this is what you want it to look like. Able to, you see that? Yeah. And then you grab the and it slide right through. So you guys, I found out this is the secret to the madness. And you couldn't get your hair full like this without anything. So I did went ahead and every one of my braids they did with these smaller crochet needles. So, and it's super fast to me when you're using the smaller crochet needle, because it does tend to go in a lot easier. And maybe not that description, but but it does tend to go in a lot easier. So and it's to me it's so much faster. So that is definitely something I will recommend for you guys. This is the Spanish curl from Wild Wigs. There is a store on Amazon. I got it in 3 bundles. So now I am rocking 3 bundles plus probably 4 more bundles because a girl love her hair full. And I'm gonna show you guys a trick to, if you have your natural hair and it's super thin, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys could go about and crochet the hair onto your hair without unraveling your natural hair. This is another one of my favorite hairstyles, you guys, the way I could put it up here like this. Oh my God, I love doing my hair like this. Like, this is just how gorgeous this miracle knot is, okay? Did I tell you this, how gorgeous this miracle knot is? Like, what? What? Like, oh, don't talk about the ponytail. Let me show you guys a ponytail. So you guys see this ponytail, okay? This ponytail, baby. Oh my God. I just love this hairstyle. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It is so cool. This is in the middle. Let me put it over a little bit. So yes, you guys, this is the miracle knot, and as you guys can see, it could go in a couple of different hairstyles. You guys could put this in whatever hairstyle you guys want. You guys could do it with this hair. Like, I mean, it is just gorge. Like, I'm just here for it. Like, what? I'm here for it. So anyway, you guys, I think this is a hairstyle everybody should try. You guys should definitely try it. It is gorgeous. Check out wide wigs, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and place a link in the description box below. Check them out. You guys got to check them out. You guys got to check out wide wigs, you guys. They're my favorite crochet line. So far, they're my number one. It's wide wigs. And I did YG wigs before. Wide wigs, they're my girl. I will try my best to put the link in the comment section box below or in the description box below. I will definitely drop the link for this hair and where you guys could go ahead and purchase them from and just let them know girls say hey. So yeah, like I said, this is a sponsored video from the company Wild Wigs, and this is their Spanish curl crochet braiding boho curl hair. The difference with this one and the ones that is around right now is the fact that this one, the thread, they're making it super longer so you could easier to braid it into your braids, and I love it. I'm here for it because it makes the miracle knots easier to install. Like, it makes anybody, like, it makes a beginner braider person, a person who just start braiding hair could, you know, install it. So that's what I like about it. Yeah, and then if you guys see how I installed it, I use that just for the ends. So you wouldn't want that to crochet on the hair, but I found a way how I could have braided in and still let them stay out. Like, it's just, you guys saw how I did it. You guys saw how I did it, and I love it. So you guys go ahead and check them out. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and share this video, you guys. If you guys are watching this video, go ahead and smash the thumbs button right now. It is free to smash the thumbs button and let YouTube know you guys like this video, because it does push my video out there in the algorithm once you guys like the video. I know I've been slacking with my video, but a girl is back. She is back. She is back. She is back. She is back. If you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know, and I'll be more likely to answer your questions. Anyway, you guys, I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. So just go ahead and, yeah, let me know what you think, you guys. Thank you guys so much again for coming back. Until next time, more time, and in due time, peace out.